let's get more from Beijing to discuss Qihoo's earnings. We have the company's Chief Financial Officer, Alex Chu, joining us this morning. Alex, good to have you on the program. So some strong growth in advertising revenue. This is very interesting. Can you continue such high growth, though? I guess that's a question.
I think so, because if you look at our, first of all, our user base growth, that's really the fundamental driver of our advertising business. The advertiser customers, basically, when they look at the traffic, look at the users, they can bring in real results for their business, so they continue to spend money to do advertising on our web property. So for that reason, I think we can, very well maintain the growth on the advertising side of the business.
Yeah, and now you're looking at cloud computing. That's the next step for you. What about mobile?
I would say mobile and cloud both are very important. The cloud is more kind of a near term, because we already built probably one of the largest cloud-based security system in the world, and it's pretty easy for us to migrate that technology to use on other areas of online computing. And then on the mobile side, we will make a pretty heavy investment on the mobile side to basically come up with new products and new services. And when the Chinese internet market transition from a PC-based internet to a mobile-based internet, we'll be ready to take a significant share on that market as well.
Security software companies like yourself, some are saying they're very prime for companies looking for acquisitions. For instance, we had Tencent buying up Kingsoft. Have you been approached by any big names wanting to maybe buy a share in Qihoo?
No, not really. We want running as a standalone company. Today, we have over 90% of the market penetration in China's internet security market, and for us, standalone is probably the best option to move forward.
Well, you have Google as your partner. In fact, Google is the default search engine for Qihoo and web browsers on your website. Since Google is losing to Baidu, are you thinking of maybe a switch, considering Google is filtering through here to Hong Kong and not actually operating on the mainland itself?
I don't see that happening for a couple of reasons. We have very good relationship, not just on the search side, but on other part of a business partnership with Google. Even though Google, for their own reason, the market share is a little bit declining gradually, but we believe, we will maintain a very strong relationship with Google. That said, Google's search growth in our property will be probably growing at a slower pace than the general business. In other words, Google's contribution in terms of revenue will coming down pretty significantly over the course of the next year or two.
Yeah, I want to talk to you about online security, actually, considering you offer computer security products. Do you think there's been, I guess, a boost in demand for your products, considering the hacking we've seen around the world on different corporate websites?
I think right now most of our online security customers are in China. We do have a small number of users based internationally, and our products from technology perspective, from the user interface perspective, are pretty innovative. And besides, we provide the entire security solution for free that essentially disrupt the old sort of selling software kind of security model. We do see some opportunities in the future, maybe in international market, but today our focus is still in the domestic market.